Hello everyone and welcome to WOWswap tutorial on decentralized governance and WOW staking. So if you want to be a part of WOW DAO, you can buy WOW tokens and stake those in WOW governance module. So to do so, you can go to wowswap.io and click on DAO, and you will see that there is a similar interface to swap page where you can choose which token you would like to stake, and you can stake WOW or WOW BNB liquidity provision tokens from Pancakeswap. So if you choose to stake WOW tokens, you can see that based on the period of staking, you can get up to 80% staking API if you stake for 2 years, or if you stake LP tokens, you will get slightly higher API. So in this case, I decided to stake one WOW token. And if I stake one WOW token for 2 weeks, I will only get one xWOW token. So xWOW tokens are used for governance voting and to decide on financial and economic parameters. Because I believe in WOWswap long term, I will choose to stake for 2 years, but for this example, I will choose this until September 22, 2022. And now instead of one xWOW token, I'm getting 9 WOW tokens. So my API will be higher. So to stake, you might need to approve the transaction first because I did so. I staked before. So I just click on stake and approve the transaction in MetaMask. So when transaction is confirmed, you will see that WOW staked will increase from 0.2 to 1.2 WOW. And I have already 9.22 xWOW tokens. So xWOW token balance depends on how many WOW tokens you staked and how long you stake those tokens. So my staking API is 62% since I staked for almost a year. And my voting power is very, very small because there are a lot of WOW tokens staked in the governance, and I only have 0.01% voting power. So now every block I can claim more WOW tokens every block, and if there are governance reward, WOWswap generates revenue from trader profits and liquidity provider API. So those governance rewards will be deposited here. And upon deposit, or if you want to claim WOW tokens, you can claim all those tokens. And with xWOW token, you can participate in WOW Swap DAO. So you can change WOWswap financial parameters. So in financial parameters, you can change based hourly interest rate curve. So if you believe that right now not enough trading is happening in WOWswap, so we should decrease the borrowing rate. So we can decrease the interest rate for here, and the borrowing rate for WOWswap traders will be lower. It means it will be cheaper to open long positions. But if we need to gather more liquidity to lending pools, we increase the interest rate, and there should be more deposits into WOWswap. We can also change optimal lending pool utilization rate, maximum share of the liquidity pool used to buy one token, or a liquidation margin, liquidation bonus to liquidators. We can change even the maximum price deviation from the oracle. This prevents WOWswap from flash loans attacks. We can also vote how much WOW or xWOW balance is required for 4x or 5x leverage. If you want to learn more about the parameters, you can go to docs.wowswap.io. Has all the explanation how the economic and financial models work. So you can check it out. In economic model, we shows how WOWswap protocol earns money, earns revenue. So in this case, it takes profit fee from trader profits and liquidity provider profit fees. So I believe that trader profit maybe should be about 5. So every time a trader closes his or her position in profit, this 4.71% of the profit will be taken and those fees will be redistributed back to the governance reward, or users could later vote to development fund, insurance fund, charity, or buyback and burn WOW token. Same, we can also vote for liquidity provider profit fees. So I think that maybe fees should be lower this time. And I need just to approve my xWOW tokens, even though I have very, very little voting power. If the more tokens, the more xWOW tokens you have, the bigger the voting power. Just for example, I'm going to vote based on these parameters. I'm gonna choose perhaps more to a governance reward to distribute more the community. And now I can vote on the fees and fee distribution. So both buttons work. You can choose one of them. And when the transaction is confirmed, the voting will be done. The parameter's current value should change. Since my voting power is very low, it will not affect the economic model a lot. Thank you for watching the video and see you soon.